Hey guys, my name is Emma. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you hit the notification so you don't miss a single video. I post every single Friday. I have about the most exciting video possible today. I am doing an empty apartment tour. I have lived in an apartment before, but it was with roommates. Like, I've literally dreamt of living in an apartment by myself since I was like 15, and I hit the jackpot. And I'll definitely give you guys a full tour once it's all decorated. It's gonna look completely different. I'm so excited for you to see. I'm going to nursing school this summer, and so I had to move, but I secured the apartment early because it's in high demand. It's a brand new, ginormous, gorgeous, but it's really cheap just because of where it is. I basically want to show you how gorgeous it is, and I'm obsessed. Like, I moved some things in today, not much, so I'll do a full tour once it's all done, but it's not decorated at all. So without further ado, I know you guys just want to see it. All right, here's the door, little closet. So here's kind of the view when you walk in. There's a big living room section with carpet, and this is what Tyler and I are gonna sleep on when we come for now, because I'm gonna spend most of the summer at home. So we just have the pull-out bed, which will be great for when people come over. It's just like an L-shaped couch from IKEA. And this space is huge. Like, I'm gonna put my entertainment stand there with the TV. It's gonna be amazing. And then over here, the wood floor. The main thing I have left to buy for this apartment is my kitchen table and chairs. I'm also gonna put my white rug down underneath. It's gonna be super cute. Big window here. It's gonna look so cute with the lighting. I'm also really wanting to like put twinkle lights along the entire ceiling, like, of the whole apartment. I need to do that. We'll come around to the kitchen. It's so gorgeous. Fridge is super nice. Everything is modern and beautiful. I put some things in the kitchen. That's where most of the things are that I brought today, but I'll just show you really quick. This is empty. We don't really have a pantry, so I'm gonna put all my food in these. Got your pots and pans and mixing bowls, oven mitts and silverware. I need to get an organizer. I bought a couple of appliances, this toaster, which I think is so cute, and the blender. Got a knife set from Amazon. Literally everything I got, by the way, is from Amazon or Big Lots. They just can't beat the prices and the shipping. Like, it's so good. I got this cute towel. I thought the gray and white would make it look very clean in the kitchen. So basically my style, like bedroom, living room, everything, just white, wood, pink, and like green from plants. So I have lots of pink accents. Like, all of my kitchen, what do you call these, are pink. I think this is so cute. I just got it as a set. I'm gonna get another one of these containers for flour and sugar, put a cute label on them. Gonna put spices in here. And then I got a bunch of glasses. And then I got plates, small plates, bowls. This set's really cool. They're like all square-ish. It comes with a dishwasher, heck yeah. Gorgeous sink with 2 sinks. I'm gonna keep like medicine in this one. So then you turn and walk down the hall. Comes with a washer and dryer, another heck yeah. This is the bathroom and the master bedroom. So the master bedroom's about the same size as my one at home. So I'm gonna put my bed here, right by the window, and then my desk here for my makeup and school stuff. And then, oh my gosh, you probably just got a peek, but I have a ginormous, more space than I will ever need, walk-in closet. Like, what? Look, there's 2 racks, 2 shelves. Like, just imagine this, full of shoes. I mean, I don't have quite that many, but it's just gonna look so good. I'll put my cute purses. Wow, I'm excited for that. All right, and then this is the bathroom. I'm going for the typical like ocean theme. As you can see, I have the cute towel and soap dispenser here. And then for the shower curtains, I'm really proud of these. I took forever looking on Amazon. I got like this baby blue ocean looking curtain, and the inside one is such a cool texture. It looks like bubbles. There's also an outside deck balcony thing, which is adorable, but I don't want to show you like where I live, you know. But basically, I'm just gonna spend some summer weekends up here because it's so awesome. Why wouldn't I? It's like a little vacation home for me over the summer. And I'll move in when it's time for school. And I'll definitely give you guys a full tour once it's all decorated. It's gonna look completely different. I'm so excited for you to see. If you guys have any requests for these apartment videos, let me know down below in the comments. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day, make someone smile, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.